So what you're going to need for your tote bag are some snaps. I bought mine from Hobby Lobby, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, some white cloth to go in the inside of your bag, and some blue cloth to go in the outside of your bag. So what I cut was 4x9 inch sides, 2 in the white and 2 in the blue. I also cut a bottom that was 4x11 inches, 1 in the white and 1 in the blue. And the back and front was 9x11 inches, 2 in the blue and 2 in the white. The last thing you're going to need to cut is a strap. I wanted mine wide, so I made it 6 inches wide. The first things you're going to sew is the front of the bag to the bottom of the bag, and then you're going to sew the back of the bag to the bottom of the bag. I used the straight stitch for this, and I also did a back and forth stitch at the beginning and the end to make sure the thread doesn't come apart. Now that your back and front is connected to the bottom, you're going to want to connect the side to the bottom. I used a straight stitch for this too. Now you're going to sew the sides to the front and back of the bag. Now that you're done with that, this is how your bag should look. There are going to be strings in the inside, so make sure you cut them. Now that you're done with that, you want to sew your outside of the bag just as you did with the inside. To fold your strap, you're going to fold one side into the middle and then the other side into the middle. And then you're going to fold it in half. You can iron it or pin it, and then it's ready to sew. Just like everything else, I used a straight stitch to sew this. The next step is going to be to turn your white bag the right way, and your blue bag, you keep it inside out. And then you put your white bag inside the blue bag, good sides facing each other. Then you're going to sew a straight stitch on 3 sides and leave one side unsewn. Now that you're done, this is what it should look like. Turn your bag the right way and then tuck the white side into the blue side. As you can see, there's still a little hole, so we're going to go ahead and sew that up. I sewed an extra stitch all the way around the bag just so it would match. The next step, you're going to sew in your strap. When you do this, sew it in a square like this one. For your last step, you're going to sew in the Velcro snaps. This was my first time doing this, so it took longer than I thought. I ended up just sewing squares instead of circles. This is what it ended up looking like. I'm very satisfied with the product. This is not the first time I used this technique to make bags. I've used this technique many times before, and it worked out well. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool videos. Thanks for watching.